Alright, imagine this. You've had a long day, your energy's fading, and your gut feels like a war zone. You've probably tried everything: smoothies, energy drinks, even motivational speeches from your pet. But what if I told you the answer could be simpler and it's right here? Meet Pendulum Metabolic Daily, a daily probiotic packed with 5 different strains that focus on one thing: getting your gut and metabolism back on track. It's like the GPS for your digestive system. You've heard it before: gut health is key to everything, but here's the kicker. This probiotic doesn't just stop there, it actually helps your body turn fiber into energy and keeps you feeling good all day long. I've been using this for a while, and let me tell you, I feel like I'm running on high octane fuel. The difference: no more mid-afternoon slumps or feeling like I'm about to hit empty. The strains in this blend work over time to convert fiber into butyrate. Yup, that short chain fatty acid that boosts your metabolism. And I know, we've all heard boost your metabolism before, but this is the real deal. And no, this isn't some magic weight loss pill, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. What's more impressive is how it helps with sustaining energy. We're talking about improving GLP-1 production in your gut, which is like giving your metabolism the green light. I've noticed a difference in both mood and energy, which is honestly a game changer. Look, we all know that finding something that works can be a bit of a gamble, but after seeing results from Pendulum Metabolic Daily, I'm confident saying it's worth a shot, especially if you're tired of feeling sluggish. So if you're ready to give your gut the upgrade it deserves, you might just want to stick around and see what this can do for you.